currently running a sale on my store, and here to boost my sales, I want to send this new sale alert message to all my existing customers whose detail I already have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp messages is going to take a lot of time. So here to do this bulk WhatsApp messaging, I'm going to use an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution which is going to help me to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all these contacts in just one click at the same time. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for boosting your business sales. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount that Pabbly is offering on their plans using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. Okay, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So here to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards that section, let me tell you that I'm going to use a message template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to my customers. So now here I've already created this template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to send a regular message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly let me show you the template that I've created under this template section. Here you can see the total number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. I'm going to show you the template that I'm going to use. So this is the template that I'm going to use, and here I've drafted a message where I've attached the image with the template. So here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. Now here if you want to learn how you can create this template process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section, and in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the Start Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly select the type as broadcast campaign, then give a name over here. I'm going to give the name as sale offer. Moving forward, then it is asking for a contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send this broadcast message to all the contacts whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, we are going to access the contact section available over here. Now under this contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of the existing list that I have, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add the details over here, and to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the same, but as you know that I have a data in Google Sheets. That means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this import contacts button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you can create create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have over here. Let me select it. You can select multiple lists as well. I have selected single. Then comes the refine audience. Using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you're having in a 24-hour active conversation window. Then comes the message type. Here you can see two types. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. Alright, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message over here. Let me search for my template. This is my template. Here I'm going to select a particular media for my template, and we are all done. Here you can make this message more personalized by adding variables. For now I've used the generic one. So this is my template, and then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number and test this broadcast message. For that I have added my contact name, then we are going to add my number, and then we are going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see a new message has been received just right now with the same template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then it is asking for automatic retry of failed contacts. If your WhatsApp broadcast fails to be sent in any case to your valid failed contacts, then by turning this button on, it will retry to send this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts automatically without any manual effort. Alright, for now I'm going to turn it off, and then you're going to click on the sad broadcast. You can see a new broadcast has been scheduled successfully. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend this failed broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting the resend option from here as well, if you have not turned on the button in the broadcast section. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to boost your sales with bulk WhatsApp messaging. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.